Debunking 5 common misconceptions. 1. Bats are blind. Contrary to popular belief, bats are not blind. While some species rely heavily on echolocation, most bats can see and have good eyesight. 2. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. The idea that the Great Wall is visible from space is a myth. Astronauts have reported that it's difficult to see from low Earth orbit without aid, and even then, it's not easily distinguishable. 3. The tongue map. The notion that different taste sensations are experienced on different parts of the tongue, for example, sweet on the tip, sour on the sides, is incorrect. All taste sensations can be detected on all areas of the tongue. 4. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Lightning can indeed strike the same place multiple times, especially tall structures or objects that provide an easy path for the electrical discharge. 5. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Goldfish have a memory span longer than a few seconds and can actually remember things for months. Follow for more.